This year they're going to be debating this a lot. Now, directly off to the left side of the boat over here, you see some red roof buildings. Can you make them out on the shoreline? We hope to visit those areas later today. This is where the multiplication of loaves and fishes is thought to have happened, and it's also where the meeting between Jesus, the risen Christ, and the disciples takes place at the very end of the book of John. In those two places that are referred to as Tabgha, T-A-B-G-H-A. I'll explain the name a little bit later. It has to do with a corruption of the name in Greek, the Seven Springs. We'll go into that a little bit later today. But you can see above us the Mount of Beatitudes, below us the red-roofed buildings, which are representing those two very important events, the multiplication of loaves and fishes and John 21. And then something a little bit more difficult to see. Some of you might be able to see around 11 o'clock, there's a pink domed structure. Can you make that out? Mm-hmm. This is Capernaum. This is Jesus' home, away from home after he leaves Nazareth. This is his center. And this is where it all emanates from, Capernaum. We hope to see that. I imagine it'll be this afternoon. We'll have